Hey guys, Enderdimsional here. I wanted to, I haven't posted in a while, and I thought, I can't come up with any ideas. Comment down below if you can think of any ideas what I should do for the channel. But I learned this new skill on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, and I want to show you guys. Sorry, the positioning is a bit weird here. This might take a bit slow because I'm looking at the Rubik's Cube through the camera, and I'm sorry about the tricky angle. I'm holding up the camera with one hand. Okay. And this is really a bad angle. I'm really sorry. I'm gonna try to reposition it better. Okay. Oh, dang it. I dropped it. Sorry about that. I feel like this is still a bad position, but it's the best I can do. Alright, so red and green. Okay, so just as an update, if it was hard to see, I've solved second layer and yellow cross. So now I'm going to do the final layer. But first I need to orient my centers. Wait, nope, did that wrong. And now I need to orient them. Okay, that did not work out. I'm gonna try again. Man, did not mean this video to take so long. It's just a weird camera angle. Okay, now I need to orient the corners. So as you can see, I have the edge pieces solved on the yellow cross. So now I'm gonna orient the corners. Okay, I believe all the corners are oriented, and now it's time for the final step. And there we go. We have solved a Rubik's Cube. I know this was a pretty bad video. I probably need to get a better angle sometime. And I apologize, but I recently learned how to do a Rubik's Cube, as you can see, and I wanted to show it to you guys, and hopefully I can make more videos soon. Bye. Please subscribe and like.